If you're a creator who wants a seamless, out-of-the-box experience, the DJI is an absolute no-brainer. Everything you just watched transferred to my phone in less than a minute, and its smart features just make vlogging feel spontaneous and fun. On the flip side, the GoPro is a tank, but it requires some patience. Those exact same files took up to 10 minutes to transfer, making it a better fit for the makers who don't mind laptop editing and long processing times. If you're serious about filmmaking, love diving into the technical details, and care about advanced color science, the GoPro is for you. But if you just want to point, shoot, and share your travels instantly, go with DJI.